Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's topic is water treatment process. So when the water reached to our house, basically it has been undergone through the various processes such as coagulation, flocculation, sedimentation, disinfection, filtration, and then it comes to your house by the distribution process. So how these processes are going to happen, that we are going to learn in today's session. So the very first is your raw water. Raw water wherever comes from the river, it will go to the treatment plant. There will be the treatment plant in many cities. In your city, there will be a water treatment plant, and in that plant there is also one another thing, that sewage treatment plant. This is the water treatment process. So whatever the natural water comes from the river, that will be going through the number of processes, and that will come to your house for the drinking purpose. And on the other hand, there will be a sewage water treatment process that I will bring my video in next topic, sorry, in next session. So that time I'll dictate or I'll clear all these things in a detail way. So the today's topic is water treatment process. So the very first process is coagulation. Okay, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. So the very first step is bar screening. So in bar screening, what is going to happen? Whatever the large items, those are present in the water, like you can say the gravel or the aggregates, those are present in the water. First of all, they are going to be separated out by this method, that is bar screen. So you can see that there will be such kind of bar screens available. So by the picture, by the image, you can understand these things properly. So these are going to filter out from this way, and the water will collide over this. Then the whatever the large amount or large size of gravels or aggregate, those will be filtered out over here, and whatever the water passed through it, that will be going to the second process or second step, you can say. The second step is again the second number of screening is going to happen, which also you can call it as a grid chamber. The water will be dropped into the grid chamber, and from that grid chamber, fine grit, or you can say the whatever the influent, those can hamper, those can you can say um, will make damage to the pumps or next equipment, those are going to be filtered out here, such as this grit. You can see by this process that grit is going to filtered out, and the whatever the remaining amount of water which contains the remaining impurities, that is going to pass to the next process. Then the next process will be coagulation. So a coagulation is a kind of treatment in which you can say whatever the particles, those cannot be settled out by this whatever the process. So those are going to settle rapidly by using this process. In this process, basically, we are going to settle the lighter particles in a slow manner by using some coagulants, such as you can say by doing the chemical process. Okay, so the suspended particles cannot be removed completely by plain settling. Large heavy particles settle out rapidly, but smaller and lighter particles settles very slowly. So in some cases, they do not even if settled or settle at all. So because of this, sedimentation is also going to happen sometimes. So in this way, some coagulants are added, and then water will be cured here by you can say the settlement process. Then the second process will be flocculation. In flocculation, sometimes flash mixers are used after a long time of gentle agitation. You can say a longer period of gentle agitation is needed to promote the particles. to settle. So this gentle agitation is known as flocculation. Next is sedimentation. Sedimentation is a common way of treating water in which you can say the solid well which is cannot be settled throughout all the processes which we have taken till the time. So those particles, those solid, that fine things can be settled by using this process, that is sedimentation. Next is the filtration. Filtration is very simple. In this process, everything is going to filtered out. That is sand, gravel, and then by this under drain process, the water will be go to the outlet for the disinfection process. During filtration, the clear water passes through the filters that have different pore sizes and are made of different materials. Okay, and in which by which these filters remove dissolved particles and germs such as dust chemicals. Okay, and to remove this remaining things, whatever the remaining bacteria, viruses, the second process is going to happen, that is disinfection. After the water has been completely filtered out, and then water treatment plants may add one or more chemical disinfectants such as chlorine, chloramine, or chlorine dioxide to kill remaining parasites, bacteria, or viruses. Okay, so this will be the last process. So I hope guys you like my video. So if you like, please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.